Hey traders, I just wanted to share with you my strategy, how I look for trades. It's a very simple strategy using support and resistance. I use my main market is the Nasdaq, the NQ futures market is what I trade. Occasionally, I will also trade but basically it's all futures market, but either the Nasdaq, the CL, which is the crude oil, or the YM, and the gold. And also the ES sometimes as well. Yeah, I use the 5 minute time frame mainly, and if I want to go any lower, I use the tick time frame, 133 tick for scalping. First thing I do, I look for support resistance level and mark them out on the time frame. Basically, as you can see, here's my 5 minute chart on the Nasdaq from last week. As you can see, what's happening here is the market's come down here and it's put in a double top here. Or shall I say the double bottom here, down here, and market's come down and it's now broken the structure here and it's come down to retest, and the market is now made a higher low and it's now made a higher high, and what I'm looking for is to market to come down and for a retest. Now, for retest, I use structure along with Fibonacci. So what I will do, I will use the last leg move up. This to me stands out, and I will use Fibonacci. And the two levels I look for are the 50% and the 32.8. Those are the main ones I look for. As you can see, the market's come down here, hit the 50% and gone past it, and it's hit the 618. So that is not something I'm interested in. I don't want it to anywhere near the 618. I'm looking for the market to stop around the 50% mark and turn around and look for reversal signal, the standard reversal candles. So that wasn't a trade for me. Then I'll hang around and I'll wait if the market then breaks. It's created a structure here. As you can see, the market has broken this structure level here and it's now made it's the wrong one. Let's check the line, not the ray. And you can see it's broken the structure level there. And so the market has now come back. What I will do is look for the retest or the retracement. I will use this last impulse leg. And you can see the market has come down at the 50%. And here, as you can see, it's given a really nice reversal candle, which is a hammer candle there. That one there. So what I will now do is I will play once the candle closes, I will place a market order one tick above that high, and my stop loss will be 2 points below the low of this hammer candle there, and my first target will be the high of this move. I will take two contracts. First target comes off there. As soon as it hits the first target, my stop loss will move from down here to break even, and I will look for the next target, which will be normally it's the 127 extension up here. But if you squeeze the chart up here, you can see there's a structure level there. So why risk going for that extra bit when there's a structure there? So my second target is going to be here, at this level here. So that is my second target there. And then I'm out of the market. That's what I do, how I trade and what I look for in my strategy. And the same thing again, I will then wait and look for another pullback opportunity if the market keeps making higher high and lower highs, and then wait for another opportunity. But that there is a classic example of how I trade and what I look for. And the other thing, these red lines are support resistance level. If you squeeze the chart up, you can see where the structure is. You can see how the market had this massive fall here, did the double bottom, and it came back here to support, to test this level there. As you can see, it's bounced off that level. It's come back here and it's now moving higher. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking for. On the next structure level, you can see, or the next level is up here. And so the market is then obviously wanting to break through that. So I could push for targets higher up to that next level. But basically what I will do is I will take my targets and then take the quick profit and then move out and move on to the next target. I do not hold trades overnight. Basically, I just day trade. And that's it. It's simple as that. And that's how I'll do that on the time, mainly on the 5-minute time frame. But sometimes you can do the same thing on any time frame, really, 15-minute or the 1 hour. But you have to be careful because obviously your stop loss will be bigger. So you need to cater for your account. Because of the size of the account we have and limited drawdown we have, I will only go to the 5-minute where I keep my losses to a minimum. Okay, hope that explains my strategy, and I hope it explains how I operate, and see how I go from there. Thank you very much.